The OnDemand Tracking App is a fully functional supplement to GPS tracking devices. Not to be confused with our tracking platform app that is used to view and monitor your devices. This app gives you all the great functionality of GPS tracking hardware, but inside an app installed on your smartphone. Perfect for sales teams, remote workers, contractors, or when using a personal vehicle for work purposes, for example, monitoring and validating mileage reimbursements. Anytime it's not practical to use a GPS tracking device, you can use the app to report your location back to the platform. The app has two modes. Manual mode can be used to start and stop a trip using the provided on-screen button. Automatic mode will start and stop your trips based on movement. In either mode, you can stop tracking when off the clock to preserve your privacy. Contact our sales team today to discuss how you can incorporate the OnDemand Tracking app into your operations.